Hey everyone, this is Xue-Xue. He is one of our SOS dogs. He has been in our SOS program for about 2 years now when he came to us 2 Februaries ago from Greenville County Animal Shelter. I believe he was found as a stray and then we took him from there. He's clearly very excited right now to be on camera. Xue-Xue has had 2 eyes removed since he's been in our care, so he is completely blind. Like I said, he is one of our SOS dogs, and right now we do need some sponsorship money for him. He's got some allergy problems, and it's going to cost about $100 to send the allergy test off to the vets to find out exactly what's wrong with him. And then after that, we're estimating probably another $300 just for vet visits, medication, and care. He itches a lot, which is why he keeps rubbing his back all over the place. So if you could help out with some of his donations, we would certainly appreciate it. We do have one person who has been his angel. Her name is Lou, and we certainly appreciate you being a sponsor for Xue-Xue. One of Xue-Xue's favorite treats is a little milk bone, not a milk bone, but like a dentist stick type bone. In fact, you can see him looking for it here. Come here. He doesn't like very many treats. Oh, he likes just about anything, but that's definitely one of his favorites is the little dentist stick. So for anyone out there who may want to sponsor him, that's definitely something you could send with his name on it.
Down. Let me get the belly. Let me get the belly. Let me get the belly. Normally he does when he gets the grass. Get him being sweet. What is it? Come here, Xue-Xue.
Xue-Xue.